A happy life consists in tranquility of mind. A life of peace, purity, and refinement leads to a calm and untroubled old age. Art is born of the observation and investigation of nature. If you aspire to the highest place, it's no disgrace to stop at the second or even the third place. In men of the highest character and noblest genius, there is to be found an insatiable desire for honor, command, power, and glory. Laws are silent in times of war. No one can speak well unless he thoroughly understands his subject. Our span of life is brief, but is long enough for us to live well and honestly. The first duty of a man is the seeking after and investigating of truth. The welfare of the people is the ultimate law. There is no duty more obligatory than the repayment of kindness. To be content with what one has is the greatest and truest of riches. Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. A room without books is like a body without a soul. A friend is, as it were, a second self.